Hello everyone. This video is your guide to mastering the WCAF version 2.0 tool. We'll take a look at how the tool is organized, walk through the essential information required for your calculations, and show you exactly where to find the data you need to complete your session with confidence. Let's dive in. Access WCAF version 2.0 using the link provided. Sign up to get started or log into your dashboard. Click Next or Continue after each step to save your progress and proceed. This dashboard provides a high-level overview of the tool's purpose and structure. When you're ready, select Continue to Instructions at the bottom to see exactly how to get started. You will be directed to the Instructions section, which guides lab heads through the preparation phase. Once you have reviewed these steps, click Continue to Requirements to see the specific data points needed. On the Requirements page, you will find a list of necessary data and their potential sources. If you need more detail, click the question mark icon next to any item to reveal an explanatory note. When your data is ready, click Next to proceed. The Overview page provides a roadmap of the information you'll need to complete the tool. To begin, simply click Start New Session at the top. If you're a returning user, you can easily access your saved work to pick up where you left off or start a fresh calculation at any time. These sections are where you input your laboratory's core operational data. The tool uses this information to calculate both your total waste generation and your overall testing costs. Follow these 4 steps to build your profile. Once each step is complete, select Continue to move to the next stage. 1. Lab details. Enter your laboratory information. 2. Disease selection. Select the infectious diseases you wish to include in your costing calculation. 3. Test volumes. Input your test volumes for the previous year and the projected volumes for the upcoming year. 4. Equipment setup. Select the analyzers used for your chosen diseases. Use the Add Analyzer button to ensure your full inventory is represented. In this section, map tests to platforms. Select which test or tests will be performed on each analyzer and assign a percentage of the total workload to each platform, ensuring the total allocation for each test category equals 100%. For example, 70% to an Abbott Alinity M platform and 30% to a Hologic Panther platform for HIV viral load. Then click Continue once your allocations are balanced. In the following sections, the tool calculates total packaging waste and allows you to specify what percentage is disposed of, recycled, or reused before generating a comprehensive breakdown of all assay-related waste, including packaging, solid, liquid, analyzer, and personal protective equipment (PPE) outputs. Once each step is complete, select Continue to move to the next stage. The following section enables you to calculate internal waste costs, including administration, handling, and waste containers. You will then proceed to external costs by completing sections on disposal permits, off-site treatment and disposal, and autoclave operation costs where applicable. Finally, you will provide transportation and disposal costs for liquid waste, recycling, and solid waste based on your specific off-site disposal methods. This final section presents the total budget estimate for waste disposal and allows you to convert the figures into United States dollars by entering the current conversion rate. You may also include optional details such as funding sources, funding distribution, and additional notes before finalizing the budget submission report. The tool then generates a summary table of forecasted waste disposal costs, which you can save, download as a CSV file, or print. Now that we have explored the full capabilities of the tool, you are ready to begin your own costing session. Thank you for watching. We hope you find the WCAF version 2.0 tool helpful in managing and forecasting your lab's waste disposal expenses.